Yeah.
Okay. And
No,
then
day
you got,
9.
oh shoot, really?
I already updated it.
Streaming now. Three, two, one, we're live now.
Okay.
Does it show that we're live on YouTube? Like, are you able to watch it?
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you send me the link and I'll post it in Discord?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, there's the link. Did we get a test flight link set up? Is this test flight link a shareable one?
It will be the shareable one, but it still hasn't been approved.
Okay. So we'll hold off on putting that in the chat below.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Cool. Well, everybody on my side, uh, because we got Eat the Elephant up, I've got it going. I am going to be typing into it what I'm hoping to work on. And Trevor is going to be working on the timer side of things while I work on some of the onboarding things. But I'm going to go ahead and just use the app and kind of get the tasks that I'm maybe hoping to do in there.
Yeah. And then real quick, do you want to, here, I'm going to pull up the timer and let's just talk through it really quick before I start working on it.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, we can make some adjustments too.
nice. Okay. So I see this. So the idea is you hit start task and will it just start the the
It
first
could just say
leaf
start eating
task? Yeah, I'm done.
or start
Yeah. And then it'll just start the first leaf task that hasn't been done.
first leaf.
Okay.
So yeah, if you're looking at my screen right now, Trevor, on my iPhone,
Yeah.
we have win the revenue cat, ship a ton. That's the
Hmm.
goal. We need to get designs in Figma. So it would go to the next one and then say, okay, we need to design out the timer screen. And then it would be like, okay, we need to do the Rive timer.
Wait,
So it would
hit
just
the
say,
arrow.
oh, actually, it would hit that. And then it would say animate
Animate
one
once.
square.
Okay. So it's the first
And I
task
think I would
with
move,
text.
yeah. And if dragging worked, I would move setup Rive timer file up above that, because that's obviously first.
Okay. If moving worked. So we still
So,
need moving, but okay. So yeah,
and
I
I
guess.
would love another thing too is like all these random tasks that just say task, 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 task. Like those should just go away. Like if I add a task and then I don't actually fill it in and I click off of it, it should just go away.
Yeah, that's a good point.
See how like
If it's a leaf.
unkept it's become?
If there's any child tasks under it, it should keep, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. I was thinking you were saying that you like to like create tasks really fast. What if in order to create a new task that's like a sibling, you just hit the return button?
Yeah. That would
Yeah.
be sweet.
And so that way like you'd never get we never have to show an add task. But
Well, you might because like if I pull up the app and I don't have the keyboard there,
yeah.
then I might need to just click add task.
Okay. And maybe we just write down all these like things that we want. Like, okay, removing undone or like empty tasks.
Here, let's stick them right in here. So encode it. We need a new child thing that is um, like adding tasks.
Hmm.
And within adding tasks, we want Uh, sometimes it just the keyboard just like jumps away like that. I don't know what it is.
Oh, really?
Hitting return adds sibling task. And see how I'm talking like it
Yeah,
truncates right there? So that would also be awesome. Another thing we said is so multi-line
yeah,
for longer tasks. And then dragging and dropping, like at least between siblings would be cool.
yeah,
Is that
yeah,
fine?
yeah. We could totally do that. But you think at first priority is the timer screen?
Um, I mean, just in terms of like me working on it, like right now tonight, if I
Oh,
had the
okay.
time screen, that would be like then I could use it.
Yeah,
I could hit start and bam.
and um, another random question: this eat and the settings, like right now we have it as a navigation, like um, I guess on your screen it says eat the elephant and the settings bar is at the top.
Hmm.
Do we like that or do we want to just have it all black? So pretty much, should I just follow the design straight up? I kind
Um,
of dig it.
I I well, let's get your opinion on the on this background that I have. Like, how do you feel about this like square texture background?
I like it.
Because
Yeah.
I'm thinking that is what I would animate.
Oh, really?
And so I think you would still have this be um what you were saying. It would just be transparent. It would just be clear.
Okay. Like when you
But then I am
scroll,
thinking this would be sticky. This would just be a sticky element inside of a VStack.
like it sticks, like, so if you scroll down your task, this is always appearing at the top.
I would think this and start is always there. What do you think?
Um, I just worried that like you'd start like, okay, say this is sticks and you're typing in a task. There's only like this much space for you to see like the actual task list. Does that make sense?
What if, yeah, what if once I start scrolling, this thing changes to like really tiny?
Hmm.
Maybe. And maybe, I don't know, maybe this, I don't know how that would get tinier.
Um, hmm, I mean, maybe.
But you could like put the text up there or something,
I mean,
kind of like you have now.
yeah,
And
like
then
I'm
I
wondering
do
if,
like how you have the scroll blur, so it kind of blurs as it goes behind. I think that's a nice touch, but only once it something starts going behind it.
yeah.
I don't know.
So that's why I'm like, should this be the navigation?
Yeah, I think it's fine.
But we do want this, like you could type in it, like this is a text
We
field.
could, yeah, we could just keep this a part of the navigation, make it a little bigger. Let's see. Put all of that stuff up there. I mean, that's not bad.
Okay.
How do you feel
And then
about that?
is this a button at all, or is it just a
Right now, it
logo?
doesn't do anything.
Okay, cool.
I mean, it could we could just lose it and have that like that.
I like it, but I'm just wondering, like maybe we have it do something fun.
Well, oh, yeah, I mean, we could. Okay, yeah, we should make it do something fun. We could have it. Uh, I don't know, like bring up different app icons or something.
Yeah, true. That could be the theme changer. And whenever you change the
That
theme,
could
it
be like,
changes your app icon too.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
something fun like that.
Okay. Yeah, I like it. Um, so my thought is okay. My thought is since we want this to be changeable, like with a keyboard, and we want this like some fun stuff, I'd say I'd say we make this like our own custom thing, so we don't use the default navigation title view because it is pretty limited where you can't have the text typing.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
and that way, like we'll just have it as part of like our own safe area inset thing. So it'll look kind of like it currently does, but we just won't have the navigation title above it, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So I think this will be good.
Which one do
And
you like more? Do you like this one more or this one more for your title?
I think I like this one more.
Okay,
I'll have to A/B test it,
cool.
dude. I don't
But
know.
it could be cool if like when you scroll, it like turns into a little bit smaller of a thing.
Yeah, dude. And it like moves over there. True.
Something to think about.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, you hit start. It just pulls the first leaf task, pops in here.
Hmm.
It has like a list of what its parent tasks are,
Yeah, so it's showing you where you came from,
and then it has a five. It just starts a 5 minute timer. Right now,
counting down.
I'll just show this, but we'll put an arrive thing. If you hit
Well, I
mark done,
wonder, I mean, if you really want to go crazy, you could have some sort of like opacity thing over this that's like revealing up. Do you see my hands?
um,
It's like revealing up.
like it, or what do you mean? Wait, show me again with your hands.
Let's see. Let me show you with this. Let's see. Frame. So it could be something like this. Say it's filled black, but it's like 60%. Can you see this in Figma?
Yeah.
So then it's just doing this.
Oh, fun. Yeah, I feel like we could
And then
figure something out. Like honestly,
and then
because these are all boxes, we could maybe even make this all in Swift UI instead of Rive.
yeah, I totally. I was thinking like if we had like an array or something where it was just like on off, and it just
Hmm.
was there, then you could draw it really quickly. Um, and then looking at, I did ask chat if we wanted it to be 5 minutes, it was like 72 frames a second or something. You would show one square.
Oh, really? Okay.
That was in Rive
That's the
though.
math.
You would just need to show a square every whatever.
Yeah, like 1.12 seconds.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
because there's 367
Yeah.
or 37. we learned last time.
Yeah, 237 something. Yeah,
But yeah, for now we could just do something like this where it just like, and then bam, it's done. That gets to zero when that drops down to zero, and you're done.
nice.
Kind of like a
Okay.
loading bar.
Yeah. Okay. This connecting thing, I'm not sure how to do that. I'll have to ask chat. That's like a big unknown I
So
have.
here's how I have it. So there's a V stack
Okay.
with the square, and then this frame that goes all the way to the bottom. Then
And
this
then
thing,
if it's a child,
it
it knows it's going to be coming from a parent.
yeah. So there's multiple things. So you've got this top part, and then you have that bottom part,
Mm,
and then the top part has this L bracket part
mm,
made up of three parts, just so it's long enough to like go to the bottom.
dang, dude.
I don't know if you want to get this into it.
We could try. Nah, it's
Right.
fun.
I'm hearing from the chat that there's some echo. We're gonna need to figure out a better way for me to hear your voice, Trevor.
Am I echoing or are they?
It's because I have my computer set up with you, and so when I say something, it comes through FaceTime and then goes through my headphones and then back to the chat. So I might need to
Oh,
wear like two headphones. Like I need to
yeah.
connect the left earbud to one to one computer and the right to another.
Oh, that's funny. Should
So I'll figure
I?
that out.
Are you watching the live stream?
Yeah.
Is it?
I don't know if there's anything we can do right now.
Oh, that's okay. I was just wondering if I need to.
And we could think of a different way to show this like hierarchy. Like you could even do it with just indenting and not have like the line connecting it. Just have like the dots or something.
Okay. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah.
Because that could still look good.
Okay. And then Mark Dunn just closes this whole thing and takes you back to this screen, but Mark's is done.
No, Mark done. We need to have some sort of like confetti pop or something.
Yeah.
But then it needs to take you to the next task.
Okay. Take you to the next.
Yeah, so we
So,
might need some sort of like, yeah, I don't know how to get back to your task list
okay.
once you
Maybe
started.
what I'll do is just wireframe out this view and start to put stuff together. But yeah, if we still need like transitionary like views, we can hit that later. But
Like
pause just pauses the timer.
maybe up here by the logo, we could add like a back arrow, like a back button,
And that means like
and that would take
view
me back to the list.
while the timer's still going.
Well, then I would just be done. I'd be saying I'm done. Like I'd be saying I'm not working on this anymore.
Oh, okay. So it would pretty much like skip the task but take you back.
Well, here, let me walk through it.
Yeah, let's see.
Um, okay, so I am here
Yeah,
and I
you're
hit
here.
start.
Okay.
So
And
now I'm
this
here on the
task,
timer.
task
Yeah,
one
so
here starts.
we grabbed this task, and if I click mark done, I'm thinking it'd be cool if then it just showed me my next task. So I could just eat the elephant.
Shows you your next task and starts it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I don't know, we can talk about it.
Okay.
Pause,
Just
to me, pauses it.
okay.
And that's just like I had to go to the bathroom or something, pause it. Skip task is like I see where you're at, but I don't actually have my computer with me right now. So I need a task that doesn't have my computer. So I just keep clicking skip until there's something I could do.
And it just goes to the next
Would
um
just go to the next task.
the
And so that's
next
where I'm like, oh, we would need a back button to get
to
back to my list.
yeah.
Or we don't have it start the next task automatically. We have it come to this list, cross it off, and then now you just sit here again and you click start again.
Hmm. Because that's what I'm wondering. Yeah. If skip task takes you to like the next task, but then you can come back and you're like, oh, I wanted to like work on this third task actually. There's no way for you to do that from this screen because start will
Well,
always
that's
start
where
this
I
first
think
one.
we have, yeah, that's where I think every task has its own little play button, which might be overwhelming.
Yeah. My thought would be like the task that's going to be started has a little indicator, like a selection thing that indicates like this is going to be the task. When you hit start, it'll play this task. But if you wanted to
Yeah,
choose a
the play
different
button on
one,
all of those.
you tap a different one and then hit start.
Yeah. We could have like an indicator or color it something.
Yeah. Like I don't like having icons on all of these because it would be a play button on all of these, right?
Yeah, it would be a lot.
I feel like instead it should be swipe actions or keyboard
Oh, yeah.
actions, you know?
That'd be great. Instead of checking it off, it's like a tiny swipe could be start this task, and then a longer swipe could be check it off.
Yeah, true. Okay.
And I mean, even the plus could make sense to be like create subtasks is just like a swipe action.
Yeah. And like it instead of deleting via swipe, we could have deleting via you hold down and then one of those things is delete. I don't know.
Mm,
I just feel like this needs to look clean but still have all the functionality.
yep. Yep.
Okay. No, I like that. I like it. Okay,
Yeah, I think you're on to something with that.
cool. Okay, I'm good with all that. What does
Okay.
chat think
So
though?
let's,
Are you are people chatting?
you know what we need is to have chat recording what we're saying and then create tasks in the Eat the Elephant app.
Yeah,
Like
dude.
it should be recording us right now. And then imagine if it had just said, okay, here's everything you guys just talked about.
Oh,
Go, hit start, and you'll get it all done.
dude, that'd be the life. That's what, yeah.
That'd be pretty slick.
We need to make that.
Because I'm about to go remember what we just talked about and type it in. But like, what if chat had just already done it?
Yeah, fetch, dude. Yeah, that's where it'd be at. Okay, I'm gonna start working on that then.
Yeah, some fishy's going on with some of this stuff. Like
With
I start typing and it like closes out.
and what I'm worried about is it might be the what's it called? Swift data, like saving. and loading.
Mm.
Hmm. Okay.
So we said swipe to start working on a task, and then swipe to add subtasks,
Yeah. And then,
and then oh, and I think everything reorders too.
oh, does it?
I think that's what's going on. Like I just added a task and then it rearranged it to the top. Did you see it on my screen?
No. Can you try it to do it again?
Okay, watch this. Watch this when I add. So
Hmm.
I'll add uh hold press, hold press to delete. I hit return. Oh, didn't do it there. But swipe to add subtask was the second task that I added.
Really?
The
Under
keyboard
swipe action.
closed and then it like refreshed and it moved it up to the top above swipe to start working.
Fetched it. Which means the hope would be like this is all stored in a list, but if lists aren't sorted, like they don't stay sorted with Swift data, then we're gonna have to store like a sort order on each
Yeah.
item. Freak.
Also, some sort of lines would be nice because I'm like add task, add task, add task, add task. I'm like, I'm not sure which task I'm adding.
Yeah. I'm almost like, how does reminders do it? I
They
guess
don't they
you
don't
can't
do
go
this.
infinite deep, huh?
You can only add subtasks and you can only add them. So you have to type out your task, type out your next task, hold it down and drag it into it, and then it creates it at, like a sub list.
Mm,
Do you want to see it?
yeah, that's it.
So, for example, I'm here, I hit enter and I say swipe actions. I hit enter. And then I go swipe to start timer. I have to stop what I'm doing, hold it down, freak out for a minute, line it up perfectly, drop it. Oh, I missed it.
Wait, can't you just swipe like
Boom.
on that? So swipe to
Now it's the
start timer.
subtask thing.
Right now, if you swiped it to the left, doesn't it bring it out? Like
Oh,
not
so if
like
I do this and indent it,
yeah, but then do
I
it
mean, I guess
faster.
that's what?
Like don't do a slow swipe, just do like a yeah.
Yeah, like I mean it works, but it oh, I can only outdent or indent,
Oh, okay, so it
which I
doesn't
mean, I
go
guess
more.
that's kind of cool. But like I my brain's never worked where I'm like type them all and then put it inside of its thing. It's
Yeah,
like I want it to be inside of its thing as I'm typing it.
yeah.
But I see, yeah, but we could do something different.
Okay. Yeah, I feel like okay, hitting enter should add a sibling, but then
Enter is
swiping
a
should add
simple
a
one.
child.
Yeah.
Okay.
Swipe to add a child's cool.
And then, yeah, maybe we add a enter to add sibling. Well, I guess these are swipe action things.
Or a button on the keyboard too that says add sibling would be cool. Or add child.
Yeah, it would have to be above the keyboard if you're chill with that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean that'd be fine.
Okay. What do you think about having win the RevenueCat Shipathon just be the top level task?
Well, I always want to be able to see it though.
True.
But I mean it's fine if it's the top level one, but
No, no, I
I
just
think you
asked
always
because
want to be able to see that.
it'd be easier technically, but it goes against the app.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. Okay.
Wait, I was supposed to add something here. Now I can't remember. Oh, a button, a keyboard button to add child. Cool.
And maybe
And
all the fonts are the same size. What if as you progressively go further in, it drops it like a point each time? So
oh, it
progressively
gets a
gets
little
smaller font.
smaller. Yeah, that could help. That could be helpful. There's
And
probably
then,
things we could do with color too,
yeah, yeah.
so it kind of scales in. Also, I was just thinking like this add task, instead of it saying add task, it could say like add task to, and then like say what the task it's going to add to.
Hmm.
You know
To
what I
the
mean?
like
So like,
to the parent, it'd say add task to adding tasks.
yeah,
And so that one now it would say add task to code it. And the very bottom
yeah,
would say
add
add
task
task
to
to
code it.
win.
Add task to adding tasks. Add task to, yeah, see, I don't even know which one this is. The designs in Figma.
Hmm. Okay.
What do you think
Maybe
of that?
maybe let me focus on all these things. And then you keep
Okay.
working on exactly how you want the timer thing to interact with all the other buttons. Does that make sense?
How we want the timer
Like the mark
like
done.
to animate?
Yeah.
Oh, what those do?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then do we also want it like you're saying there's a back button? Does that mean that when you hit start, does the screen come navigation stack like get pushed on to the other screen?
Yeah, what about this? What if it's not a new screen? What if it's a sheet?
So it pops up from the
So
bottom.
I click start task, sheet pops up, my tasks and stuff start going, and when I'm done, I just dismiss it.
That could
And
work.
while I'm in focus mode, I'm just like maybe and we just call it that, like start focus mode.
Oh, I like that. Yeah.
So start focus mode, and then
Oh,
now it's just this like focus mode
yeah, I like that a lot.
that
So,
is just next task, next task, next task.
yeah, let me show you. Like, there's two different ways we could do that. Like, we could have, um, so I'm just going to make this. There's this, but like, we could do a show sheet. And then we could also do a show full screen cover.
Okay, I like where full screen cover's going.
Let me show you what they look like.
The full screen cover has the X in the corner, right?
Well, we could put the the X in the corner. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, the show sheet. Yeah, basically they both look like kind of the same. Like there's sheet is presented. We do a dollar sign. Show sheet. We say text. Hi. But then there's a full screen cover. Same thing. Dollar sign. Show full screen. So show sheet just pops up like this, but it leaves some of the context behind. Like it doesn't take up the whole screen. You're still in here. You can swipe to dismiss it. We could still like put like a swipe dismisses. We could do like an interactive dismiss disabled, and that makes it where you can't
Mm.
like scroll to
Okay.
dismiss it. Like you'd have to have a button,
Option. Okay.
or this full screen cover will just take up the whole screen. So we'd have to kind of add a button in here that would dismiss.
Yeah, but it's a full screen cover. I'm not navigating to a new window.
Yeah, yeah, you're not navigating to a new window. It's like taking over the screen. So we'd need like a dismiss button, like in the designs, like having like an X button at the top
Yeah.
or something like it could even be like you can't do it until you either pause and leave or mark done. But then yeah, once
Mm.
you do that,
I'm
then it
also thinking
dismisses.
there could be a feature where we have like quick add. Like maybe I'm working on something. I'm like, oh, I know I need to get to that, and I can quickly add a task.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, I was wondering like the settings button, is that you just bring it over? Like I don't know if we need the
Yeah,
settings button on the
we
screen.
shouldn't have. Let's be real.
Okay. But then like the real fun part of the app is when you hit start and it creates a live activity. So even when you leave the app, you can still see the timer ticking, right?
I think that'll be really slick.
Yeah. And that's where, oh, imagine this we set up using that video of the guy with the widgets where it just ticks down and like uses the
You know I'm
timer
down.
because that way it would show up in the dynamic island. We
Would
could get
be. And on a widget too. You could
and
have
on
a
a
full
widget.
screen widget.
Yeah, dude.
I'm totally down.
Okay. So that might be like we should just like figure out exactly how we want to handle this and then we could work on configuring it via the timer and the
Yeah, well,
fonts.
we need to break out this focus mode a little bit more,
Yeah. Yeah, speaking of which, let me check to see if I've gotten any news back.
or like start eat mode. I don't know how much we want to lean into like fun names versus like names that make sense.
Sure. That's a good point. Okay, it still shows submitted, but nothing back yet. I should probably call them and see. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna do some of these improvements that we were talking about on the tasks, right?
I'm. Did you see on the Figma? I added like what it would look like. Add to task one. Add to win the RevenueCat Shipathon. I'm down with that change.
Where at?
And then if we just got rid of all of these buttons in and just did it in swipe,
Yeah. So add to,
like that looks a
yeah,
lot cleaner.
No, I like that. Okay.
and
Yeah,
then
me.
start focus mode.
Okay. Yeah, I could do these. I could do that.
And then focus mode can be a sheet that pops up. So we probably need like an X in the corner.
Yeah,
Or
so
I
either
guess
an
we're
exit
saying,
corner or make it part
yeah,
of
you
these
pause
things.
it. Yeah.
And maybe we still have something in the corner because people would freak out if there's not. But instead of an X, it'd be a pause like symbol. And then once you pause it, then it turns into an X symbol. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Slopes app kind of does that. It trips me up every time.
Oh, really?
I guess this year I kind of got used to it. Like I understood what it was going to do.
Yeah.
Pause. Then it lets you leave. I guess we could just have the X there all the time. And if they hit it, we do a little modal. That's like, uh, are you sure you want to leave focus mode?
Yeah. No, I like that.
And then just let them leave. And a quick ad could be fun though too.
No, I like that. Yeah. Yeah, I dig
Now
that
we
a
have
lot.
too many buttons at the bottom though.
But quick add maybe. Hmm,
I think quick ad could pull up a sheet that's literally just this thing, just literally just the task list or something maybe.
yeah. I'm wondering, like, if you are in a task, does it make sense to have a skip task if you're already like going on it?
Hmm.
Like my thought is when the sheet first pops up, it should say like start.
Well, I feel like you've already clicked start. I feel like clicking start focus mode starts it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
So like there is no like stopping the timer once you're in focus mode. It's just going.
Yeah. It's always 5 minutes too.
Well, for now.
Okay.
A really cool thing on that other app I set up is I can do task and then I could say like 10 minutes and I just put that in the name of the task and it like makes it a 10-minute timer.
Oh, fun. Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, I'm thinking if you click start, like you click start and you want it to like start. And then if you're like, whoa, 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 that's not the task I want, pause, skip till you get it, and then restart.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that fair?
Yeah, that's fair.
I'll hold off on add task for now. We don't really, we're fine on that.
Okay.
But for reals, it would be awesome, Trevor, if chat could just listen to our conversation and just keep our list up to date.
Dude, should we do that? I feel like that'd be such a good B2B app too.
I mean, that would be a good anyone app. Like it would be like Yeah, I wonder if it'd be like just sit and have a conversation with the AI of what you're trying to do, and then it makes your list.
I feel like it would win based off its integrations with like Jira or reminders. Like pretty much anything you use. Like, would we want it to be part of our app? Like Eat the Elephant?
Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'd make like a chat, like it's not a bot. What are they called in
No, I feel
chat?
like a yeah, like a bot. Like it
A
joins.
GPT. We
Oh,
make like
really?
a Eat the Elephant GPT. So if you just go talk to the Eat the Elephant GPT and connect your account, it like
Summarizes all the
does it.
tasks. Dude, we should just try
Does all your
doing that.
tasks.
Like seeing if chat's good enough to do that.
I mean, here, let's see. Um, does wait, doesn't chat have record? Doesn't chat have a record feature now?
Record. Let's see.
Yeah, just is that
Does it dictate or use voice mode?
isn't there just a record mode? Which one got record mode? Where it just sits and listens to you and records what you're doing. That was chat. Yeah, ChatGPT record. Is it only on the phone?
I mean, there's the voice mode.
Yeah, it's not in voice mode. It might just be that little thing. Just it's. I clicked it and it just says that it's listening. Okay, chat. I'm gonna talk for a minute on uh something that I on an app that I'm building, and what I need output wise is 5 to 10 minute tasks broken down so that we can eat the elephant of the larger thing. All right, let's just keep talking for a minute and then see if it can do that.
Okay. So I
I
guess
have it recording.
we need it to have underneath each task, underneath each of the last children tasks, it needs to have an add task button to the parent task.
Yeah, so the text needs to say what the parent task is.
Okay. So that's one thing.
And then I think we also want to add, like, remove the buttons and add swipe features.
Yeah. So use swipe for not just toggling is done, but also starting the task, adding a child task, and then having the delete task be part of like a context menu thing, or maybe still having it under swipe.
Okay, I'm going to hit enter on that and just see what it does. I don't know. It just transcribed
Yeah,
everything we did. But let's see. I mean, add child task button. Locate where child tasks are rendered in your view hierarchy. Add conditional logic to detect the last child. Insert an add task button. Wire the button's action to your existing. Test to ensure the button appears only. I mean, it's like it is giving tasks.
yeah. I guess we should tell it to be like, don't get into like the integration side of things because it's saying like, oh, figure out the code of like wire it up to the code to do this. Like we should just say like generate task like Jira ticket titles for each of these things.
Yeah, I mean, we could prompt this further, but like add leading swipe action toggle done, add swipe action start task, add swipe action add child task. Did we say that? Did I say that in the?
I
I don't
think I
remember
said
saying
that.
that in the transcript.
Add child task. I think I said it as a swipe
That
action.
that it should have start.
I think I
I
said
think
that.
it just. Oh,
I
you
think
did.
did
Okay.
I?
I think they just inferred it.
Oh, it's so good, dude.
So I mean, yeah. Like now, imagine if this was all of a sudden already in Eat the Elephant, and I could just click Start Focus Mode, and we could just start doing this right now. And then if a task, and if it's AI, we could have another button where like instead of skip, it's like, nah, this task doesn't make sense.
That's
So
sick.
it's like delete it. Could be smooth,
That
dude.
could be pretty smooth. I mean, this would be the app to do it, at least for like small. This is like your day-to-day task app.
Yeah, and I see this as like I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to accomplish one big thing: win the revenue cat ship a ton, and so it can keep it focused within that. Like, yeah, I need to do habits of cleaning my house and like other things,
Okay, but yeah, this is still
eating healthy, working out. But this app is for like, but what's the big thing you want to accomplish?
yeah,
It's not a habit app.
yeah. No, yeah, I like that. Okay, no, let's do it.
But I wonder how like would we record from Eat the Elephant app?
I think we'd have to, right? Like, there could be like a button on this main screen that says like start AI transcription brainstorm.
Yeah.
But that's I feel like that'd be weird because I feel like most of these like this goal is gonna be more personal, so it feels weird like talking to an AI about it by yourself. Like this idea would be more about you're in a meeting with somebody and you are transcribing the meeting to get actionable tasks
Sure.
created.
I mean, it's basically what we're doing.
Yeah.
Like we're sitting chatting about it, and then now we want tasks from it.
And that's where I mean like it's more of like a business to business thing.
Yeah. Which I'm sure someone's tackling that.
Yeah.
I
Can you
don't know
imagine
what
like
yet.
all the meeting rooms at work will have those like TVs in there?
Yeah, if I just got an email at the end that was like, here's every task. I mean, Zoom kind of does that.
Yeah.
Kind of. Which
Yeah.
then I could probably hook it up to something. So maybe we more just have like a way to get tasks from the AI, like a format. that I could pass chat and then chat makes it in that format and I could paste it in our app.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's like,
My thought would be like,
yeah,
let's just design it how what would be best for the user, and we'll just figure out if it's possible.
okay, cool.
Yeah. Like, how would you imagine using that in as a user?
It's tricky. When I was thinking of AI, I was more thinking that the AI would just add tasks. So like to what I already have to eat the elephant, it would just add and suggest tasks automatically.
Yeah. And that could be, yeah. I feel like we could do that s- still. Like, here, let me pull up the Figma. My thought would be like maybe like these white tasks, like if it's the primary color, it indicates that you added the task. But maybe like the next time you hop on, we just run some query and it adds another task under here, but it makes it
Yeah.
gray and it has like a add task, like
Yeah,
add
like adds a
AI
couple
generated
Sparkle
task.
tasks. Hmm.
You do that and it just automatically add it to this list.
That could be another way to do it.
Like I feel like that could work. But what were you thinking? It just automatically does it without
No,
you,
yeah, that's what I was thinking. Where it like adds it as an AI thing, and then you still have to say yes or no.
yeah, like a check mark and an X button.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Dang, dude, this is gonna be
Yeah,
a
and
fun app.
maybe me and you can just start recording our conversations, or I guess we could just like we have the live stream. I wonder if we could just feed the transcript of the live stream into chat.
True, dude.
You know what I mean? Like we could do that, and then if chat could just export something that Eat the Elephant could just ingest, that would be helpful.
Yeah, and maybe we just have chat export it as like some bolded list. Doesn't even matter the format, but then
Yeah, maybe it's Markdown or something.
we just paste whatever format it is into Eat the Elephant, and then Eat the Elephant makes another call to chat and says, format this request into this JSON format, and then it like pulls it back and adds it.
Yeah,
That could work. And I mean, we have
yeah.
the transcripts.
Because then people could just like ingest tasks however they want.
Yeah,
They just be like, "Well, I made this note," and they could just drop a note in there.
yeah. The note could be yeah, because it wouldn't matter what format we send to the AI. The AI would just always return back the format we want.
So I wonder if in terms of onboarding, it says like, "What's your main goal?" And then it's just like now just kind of talk about how you think you would need to accomplish that, either in text or whatever.
Yeah, or you could just
You
have
just
like
you
a,
just write out how you would accomplish it.
or you have like a microphone where you
Yeah,
could just talk it out, and then yeah, or you could like, or you could be like, oh, paste from a note or paste from a screenshot, and we just do all of that, ultimately putting it into this list.
yeah. Because really, what I want the app for is when I get on a distracting app, it gives me a useful task to do instead.
Yeah,
I don't think I got an email back from Ascent yet, but it's the weekend.
true. Is it just a one time, like a one guy thing?
I don't know. But he figured it out, and I haven't seen anyone else figure it out.
Should we ChatGPT 5?
I mean, whatever. Yeah,
Yeah, it's got to be possible.
best.
I wonder if he just like
Oh,
has
see if
some.
ChatGPT 5 knows how to do it.
Yeah, freak.
Because the biggest thing with the AI is the tasks have to make sense. If you get if you get like three tasks in a row that just don't make sense, you're gonna be like, eh.
Yeah,
But if it's like very tiny and you're like, oh, that's something that's actionable. I could go do that right now.
yeah,
Because
and that's
there is an element of like product development where if you can actually define down to the 5 minute mark what you're building, you've already done 95% of the work.
oh yeah,
Right, because then it's just easy to just like bam, 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 do it all. Like once you already have all your tickets made. But getting those made takes a long time. So I don't want to go like too deep down that rabbit hole because that is people's jobs, right? Like that's like a full team's job would be coming up with their Jira tasks.
yeah. But I mean, that's where AI really thrives. It's just like
But yeah, they could
understanding
totally do it.
and just doing stuff fast.
Hmm. Also, I'm going to say this logo's really growing on me.
Yeah, I like it. I'll also say like um, it's fun live streaming. It's like as we're talking, I'm like, oh man, it's good to talk, but I also feel like we should live stream solo to like get stuff done as well.
Yeah,
You know? Yeah,
yeah,
it's funny.
yeah. We can try that next week.
Yeah, we'll just like take turns or
Do
just
you, well, I mean, it's getting late, but do you want to work? You can start working on some of this if you want.
yeah, and maybe let's set a like a 5 minute timer. Try to see what to get done. So I'll do the swipe actions.
Okay.
Yeah. Um, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna throw like a timer up.
Okay. Yeah. So this is why we need the timer screen though, because it'd be sweet
Yeah.
if we both had our timer screens up, just working.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Also, I'm gonna say a negative. So the timer, once it gets to zero, it keeps counting, but it starts going negative.
Oh really? Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, because then it's like, like a part of me too is like, it might not be possible to figure out 5 minute tasks for your big thing, but if this app can just get you working on it,
Yeah.
then you're just gonna get lost in it for hours.
Yeah, that's what's important. Just starting the 5 minutes.
Just starting. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you stay on the same task in the app, but you got 20 tasks done in real life.
Yeah. But I also feel like feeling like you're accomplishing something is big too.
Yeah. Yeah, but something's up. Every time I add a new task, the keyboard closes after I type one letter.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Did you start a timer?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it over there. 3 minutes. Yeah, it's funny. This is like focus mode, but I'm like, there's a lot of things on the screen. It's not really focus.
Yeah.
It's like doing a lot still.
Okay. Here's the timer. 5 minutes, which
Okay,
like
cool.
is a good start. Like,
I
yeah, we
mean, you
should
got
have it
done.
where it
Add
can
tasks to
continue.
designs.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah. Also, I can mention, I think Sunday we're going to be taking breaks.
Yeah, that's my plan too.
So there'll be no stream tomorrow.
Yeah.
Unless you jump on Trevor and you want to work on something, you're free to.
Um, Probably not.
But it's a lot to go every day. It's been really fun.
Yeah, it really has.
But I'm looking
It's a,
forward to a break
it's a
day.
blast. So, yeah, let's see. We want to add child task as a swipe action. So yeah, here's the swipe action so far.
Okay.
On the left, you could hit plus or like the check mark to mark it as done or not done. You can hit
And then
play,
undo it.
and that will start that task. Right now, it's not doing it. On the right, you could hit the trash button to
Delete.
delete, or you can hit the plus button and it'll make a child task.
Yeah, I wonder if swipe actions could also be a paid feature, like being even more custom with what they do.
Oh yeah, that'd be kind of
I
sick.
would think I would want it to start. Maybe not. I don't know.
That'd be
I
kind of
guess I
sick.
would probably be checking things off more often than starting things.
Yeah.
So I think that's the right call. But I think I would be making child tasks more than deleting.
So
I think a long swipe should do a child task. Those should flip.
I could be like
Yeah.
that. If okay, so add task two. If it's empty, or tell you what do you think about just like add task two? If you want to add a task, a sibling, you just have to hit submit on the text field. What do you think about that?
Um, you push what you have and let me test it, and then I'll let you know.
Okay.
Because as I was going through just even tonight, we were jumping around a bunch.
Yeah.
So it would be really nice to be able to be like, oh, yep, add to this task, add to this task. So let me try it and let's see.
Okay. Um, okay. What do you think about on this screen? The goal is just here at the very top, leading like this.
I mean, for now, I think that's great.
Okay.
Going back though to what you were saying about exiting the timer, I'm wondering if when I hit pause, if mark done could turn into exit, maybe.
Yeah,
I just don't love the exit button at the top at all times.
yeah, that's how I feel too. Um, yeah, we'll just have to play around with it. I'm gonna unplug my phone. My port's kind of freaking out. Okay, I'm still on the live stream.
Does the full screen mode, Trevor, have swipe?
No, it doesn't. Like you can't swipe to dismiss it.
So we'd have to have something there to
Yeah,
leave.
yeah. But I'm wondering like if like we have to have something for them to leave, but maybe they have to pause before they can leave.
Hmm.
So the
Yeah,
pause,
I'm,
you'd hit
I'm,
pause
I'm.
and then it'd be leave. Or like at the top.
How do you feel about this design over the dots?
Is this still the parents?
Yeah, so it's only parents.
I like the dots more, I think. I think it's more clear.
Like boom, boom, boom. What's going on?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, cool.
Like to me, this looks like, oh, the next task is this, and then the next
That's what I
task
was
is
thinking
this.
too. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe if it's above it though. Because it is nice to have the context in case you don't like properly name something.
Yeah.
Right. Like if I just get the task onboarding, I'm like, what am I doing? But if it says designs onboarding, I'm like, oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Okay. And then anytime you hit submit or enter on the keyboard, it should create a new
Oh,
sibling.
did you add a little icon?
Where to? Oh, yeah, to the
The
add.
add?
Yeah, what do you think about that? And that what do you think about this? Add new milestone.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this says milestone now. And then
Well,
when you clear this, it
it
says
could
goal.
technically be a task though too.
I mean, like technically it is a task, but like at least for now,
Technically, yeah.
I put it it's straight up like if the task's parent's parent is nil, then it's a milestone. Like basically, if its parent is the root,
Okay, I see. Yeah.
then it's a milestone.
So click add milestone again. Add new
Right here.
milestone. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's sweet. I like the how it's detached a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna
And then
add some
add
more.
tasks to designs. I really do like that. I'm excited to test this out. Did we lose some of the stuff from yesterday though? Like where did tinting go?
Oh, I just have to rerun it. The tinting is on the app. Like I have it here. So when I'm doing these previews, it only looks at like what's in the preview
Yeah,
file,
yeah,
like
yeah.
this stuff. So yeah, we'll have it. Let's, it's installing.
Okay, sorry, I gotta go run and put the binky in real quick.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
All right, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and jump off,
Okay,
but you keep working if you want and push it to test flight. I'll test it.
okay. Um, okay. Let me check something really quick.
Okay. I'll be back in.
Okay.
All right. Anything you need my last thoughts on?
Yeah, check it. If I hit next, yeah, it's um, a sibling.
Keyboard though, why does the keyboard disappear?
It's because yeah, I we're gonna need to like do some stuff. Keyboard's kind of crazy to handle. In SwiftUI, you have to create like a focus state thing and then reset it to be like to focus on the right thing. So yeah, it's going to take some time. But yeah, and here if you hit next, it'll add
Yeah, but
a
that's so
subtask.
slick, dude.
But yeah, we should totally have it where it focuses on that next one.
Yeah, and then I can see my milestones. I've got my goal at the top. Yeah, sweet.
Okay, I'll just push this. And I did have it where like your goal you can do multi-line. And I don't know if what the every
We
time
can
it
say,
changes.
yeah,
Do you see this? All the milestones like tripping up.
something's up, dude.
Freak. Okay, I'll figure it out at some point. I'm just gonna push
Yeah,
this.
something.
Okay, I'm gonna push this
Yeah,
and I'm gonna stop streaming right now. See you guys.